make sure that when you are joining the class, make sure that your video also is showing. Okay, but if there's no faces, then it is considered absent. So you have to show your face because you assume that you're inside the classroom. I want you to turn on your textbook on page 22. Okay. Our lesson today, class, is subtraction. So turn on your textbook on page 22. Is it page 22? Oh, yes. This. On page 22, first we need to subtract two numbers, and then next is subtracting three numbers. So I want to explain the parts of subtraction operation first. Okay. The parts of subtractions are as follows. Ninja, please look at the screen. I can see you. I'm watching all of you, okay? I can see all of you. Okay, one. Okay, look at the examples. Easy example. 88 minus 80 equals 8. So horizontally, this is the operation. And then vertically, this is the operation. What do you call the biggest number 88? What do you call the bigger number 80? And what do you call the number or the smallest number 8? Okay, the first number in the equation is called the mean wind. Everybody say mean wind.
Mean wind.
Okay, mean wind.
And wind.
Mean wind. Okay, and then the second number is called the subtrahend. Everybody say subtrahend.
Subtrahend.
Okay, mean wind minus subtrahend.
Mean wind. Subtrahend.
Yes, minus subtrahend. And the third one is called the answer is called the difference. Everybody say difference.
Different.
Okay, so what do you call the answer in the addition operation?
Different.
No.
Different.
Listen carefully to my question. What do you call the answer in the addition operation? Addition. What do you call the answer in the addition operation?
10.
No, I'm asking you.
Different.
Parts of
Different.
no parts. Let's go back. Let's go back to our lesson. Parts of addition. Parts of addition, not parts of subtraction. I want to know if you can still remember. What do you call the answer in the addition?
The answer of the addition. Total.
Very good. Total or sum. Sum or total. So the first and the second number, they are called addends. So addends plus addend equals the sum or the total. Here in the parts of subtraction, mean wind minus subtrahend equals difference. Everybody say mean wind minus subtrahend equals difference.
Min men. After hand different.
Okay. Next, let's go back now to our lesson. On page 22, bring out your textbook. Okay. Are all set? Okay, when I say are all set, your pencils, your textbooks are ready.
And your
And
eraser.
your erasers and scratch papers, recycled papers, working
I didn't
papers.
have it here because I'm it outside.
Okay.
Oh, here.
Okay, so let's do the subtraction with regrouping. Okay, we call this.
Teacher, use the paper or write in the book.
Yes.
Write in the
Regroup.
book.
Yes. So the first
Write in the book.
the first number sentence is 856,664 minus 645,992 equals blank. So this is the number sentence. The working, look, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 cannot be subtracted by 9 because obviously 6 is smaller than 9. So we borrow 1 from 6. 6 becomes 5, which will become 15 later because
Yes.
5 minus 9 cannot be subtracted. And then 6 in the thousands place becomes 5. And we won't borrow anymore from the digit before this because 5 minus. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 15 minus 6 is equal to 6. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Answer, 856,664 minus 645,992 is equal to 210,672. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, who wants to have question? Okay. So let's go now to subtracting 3 numbers. When subtracting 3 numbers, you have to remember this. First, subtract the second number from the first number to get the initial answer. Second step, then subtract the third number from the initial answer to get the final answer. Turn off your microphone after you ask something from Teacher Chris. Okay, so that it's not noisy.
Page 22, teacher.
Yes, can't you see? Can you see what's on the screen, ping pong? It's very,
Yes, I can see now.
it's very big. Wake up. Okay, so that's the example for 3 numbers, subtracting 3 numbers. Look at the screen. 837,425 minus 24,933 minus 12,784. So it is stated in the rule using that method, the first and the second number first. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 4 becomes 3, which becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. And 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Then using this difference, you have to write it here. Ping Pong, please turn off your microphone. Okay, 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 9 becomes 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 7 equals 7. We borrow 1 from 2, so 2 becomes 1. But 1 cannot be subtracted by 9. So 1 becomes 11. We borrow from 1. 0 becomes 10. So 11 minus 9, 11 minus 2 equals 9. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. The final answer is 799,788. Now my question is, how do you subtract 4 numbers? To subtract 4 numbers, it's like the same as when subtracting 3 numbers. Just add the 4th number. Just add one rule here. So subtract the 3rd number from the initial answer to get the final answer. So you subtract the 4th number from the 3rd number, from the previous answer to get the final answer. Okay, on page 23. So look at that 1, 2, 3 numbers. 0 minus 1, 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 8 becomes 7. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Conkel, please turn off your microphone. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 6 becomes 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 2 minus 2 equals 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 3 minus 0 equals 3. So if you cannot see any number under this place values, their values are zeros. So writing this difference to this part, okay, it's the same. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8 equals 5. 6 becomes 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 11 minus 7 equals 4. 2 minus 0 equals 2. So when you are working with the operation, please include writing the numbers, the small numbers on top of the original mean. So that teacher will trust or believe that you really do the working by yourself and not by using calculators. Now, this is very important, estimation. Estimation, we can use estimation to calculate the difference between two numbers. Example, estimate the difference between 452,883 and 206,179. First, we round off 452 and 206,179 to the nearest thousand. So 452,883 is approximately 453,000. While 206,179 is approximately 206,000. Subtract 453,000, subtract this, minus 206,000. Okay, look at this part. So the answer, the difference is 247,000. You notice that 247,000 is the estimated difference, which is very close to the exact answer. This is the estimated difference or the estimated difference. And this is the exact difference or the exact answer. For 246,774 is closer to 247,000. Very close or very near. Okay? If your answer again is very close or close, then your answer is correct. Do you have any question? Okay, let's proceed to the next number. I want you to get your pencils and try subtracting this practice exercises. Letters A to letter B, letter E. Timer starts now.
Teacher, do page 22, 23, and 24.
Can't you see again, Ping Pong, on the screen? Page
Do
24.
page 24 too.
Yeah.
Do letter A, B, C to E.
Yes. If you are fast, you can go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, I'm watching you. Putawan, can you please show yourself? Okay. Namo, I cannot see you, Namo. Kanchaya, Dim, Gam, Fang. Kittycom, where is your video? Is your video broken? Kunkew, is your video broken? Show me your faces. Okay, that's it. Better.
Teacher, before and it out.
What? Ping Pong, what's the problem?
It's not me. I did not say anything.
Con Khao
Okay.
teacher nói ping pong.
Kunkew? Baitong, what's the problem?
Teacher, for the first time, it out.
Kunkew, you have to sit down properly. How will you answer if you are lying on bed or if your position is like that? Sit properly. You assume that you're in the classroom. Are you
I
finished with?
didn't have the
You don't have a table. Okay.
yes because I'm in bedroom.
If that's comfortable for you, then it's all right. As long as you can write. As long as you can answer, it's okay.
Yes.
So in less than 1 minute, this 40 minutes ends. The 40 minutes ends. So please come back. Okay? You come back for the second round or the second part. So Teacher Chris is waiting for your answer.
Okay.